First thing I'm gonna do is to make myself a nice smoothie. Banana, strawberries, oatmeal, peanut butter. I don't know yet. We'll see. But I'm gonna make myself a nice smoothie. I'm gonna drink that smoothie. Yeah. And after I'm done, I'm gonna show you guys how I clean this hood. I don't know about you guys, but before I do my cleaning, I like to power up. Smoothie right now sounds delicious, and I'm gonna make me a nice one. Hello, everyone, welcome back. Happy, beautiful day to you all. Today, we're gonna start with a smoothie and then on with our cleaning. Ever notice that greasy buildup on your range hood filter? A dirty filter can affect air quality and even make cooking less enjoyable. Today, I'll show you a simple and effective way to clean it so your kitchen stay fresh and grease-free. Let's get started. I went and got my apron. We're gonna start this right now. This should be easy. If you have a stove hood, it's very easy to maintain. Well, I think. You just have to keep up with the cleaning and everything. We're gonna remove these, and let me turn on the light. Now remove, and then we're gonna wash. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to wipe in the inside, because I can see little tiny grease. Yeah, grease. Yeah. So I'm gonna clean inside a little, but before, let me get a glove so we can start this baby. Glove. We're gonna wear our gloves so we can start. Wrong hand. I lost my headphone. Usually I'm rocking some music, but it's okay. I'm gonna sing in my head and this in my mind. At least I'm color coordinated. Look at me. Oh, blue, 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 all over blue. And blue. I'm gonna be using this spray. I'm gonna spray on this. Blue. This is what I'm cleaning, you see? This is the electrical part. I'm not touching this part. These right here. Oh, I'm smarter than that. I'm just like wiping these because it was very greasy. Okay, I think that should do it. I'm gonna clean right here, here, and there. So. Oh, and I'm clean up here too. What I usually do is that I would clean this with Dawn and then dry it. And I had this thing that I a spray especially for this kind of material. I just can't remember the name. So Yeah, but sometimes when I use just this, I don't need to spray or do anything else to make it shine. I just wanted to make it look really nice, like popping. You know what I mean? Popping, popping. See, I'm gonna bring you closer so you can see what I'm talking about. You see? You see once I clean? You see? Gotta use something that's like this, like something soft, so that way you don't scratch anything. You don't want to scratch this. Keep it nice and neat. See how greasy it was? Show you. Look at that. Look. It's really greasy. Had to be clean. This all here, then in here. That was so greasy. Okay, I'm gonna rinse this. Okay. This is actually the beginning of my spring cleaning. There's a lot to do, a lot to do. So little by little, I'm doing 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. I don't know. I really have to stop my kitchen. I'm gonna do a mega spring cleaning, and I want you guys to join me in that cleaning. So get ready for that. Get ready. See, clean. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. I'm going to use like warm water, not too hot. Well, a little bit hot. In between. You can use hot water if you want. It all depends on your filters. If they are very dirty, like very greasy, has a lot of buildup, you need to soak them in hot water and maybe even a little of baking soda. You don't have to, but I will recommend you use this soap that I'm using, which is Dawn. You want the grease out. You don't want the grease to stay. It's gonna build up, and that's dangerous. If you're dealing with grease, you never know what can happen, you know, so we have to be really careful. Okay, so let's start with this one. I'm gonna do a little motion. I mean, you can go like this, but nah, motion is better. You gotta go be gentle. Gently. Put your hand underneath because you don't want to break that. is really good. Really, really good. It's taking out the heat. Turn off the water. Well, the brush is faster. The fact that my filter is not so dirty, I can use something soft just to, you know, scrub a little bit. Like, not scrub, but, to wash it. The fact that I'm using Dawn, it make it easier for me. But I like to use the brush. But if you're in a situation where yours is really, really, really greasy, then you have to soak. And I think you can use something to scrub, but just be careful how you use it. Yellow stain, greasy stain. They're dry. I'm gonna go ahead and put them back. I love the result. Very clean. Oh, feels so good. I feel so good. That's it. These two go. Voila. Well, this right here, I'm gonna show you guys how I can remove it. This here, this is what I use for stain. This is for stainless steel. It's really good. It's gonna remove this right here. So it smells so good. I was just going to do this and I'm like, I might as well do the whole thing. Why not? Give it a shot. And just like that, your ranch hood filter is looking fresh and clean. Regular cleaning helps keep your kitchen air pure and cooking experience smooth. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy cleaning hacks. See you in the next one. Guys, I think I did well. It's beautiful, it's clean, it's shiny.